Myself, Ravi Kumar. Basically, I'm from South India, Tamil Nadu. I worked in Delhi.
Just tell about your illness and what was the nature of illness. What was your physical condition at that time?
After graduation, I was working for 3-4 years. Then suddenly, I had this stiffness problem, with a backache.
What was the doctor's opinion and how you felt during the time of treatment in the hospital?
When this started for 2 years, it was nothing. They couldn't tell me exactly what was the problem because all the reports were normal. Your blood report, your MRI, your CT scan, your PET scan, everything was normal. It was post 2006 when we lost all hope. It was like they diagnosed it as hypophosphatemia, loss of phosphorus. For 6 to 7, it was like they diagnosed it as hypophosphatemia, loss of phosphorus. For 6 to 7 years, I was in hospital. I was 3 months, 6 months. I used to be in hospital. Then I'll come back for a month or two. Then again, 2006 to 2012, I was in that hospital. The doctors, they tried their best. They did all one could have done, but there was no improvement, and slowly I lost almost in those 6 years 14 centimeter. My these ribs collapsed, pseudo fractures. It was so difficult to walk even 10 steps, and pain used to the pain was extreme pain. Then my phosphorus level gone down to such it was almost 1.2, which was below your normal value. So everybody panicked, and they said probably in a month or two they're gonna put me on ventilator because lungs will become very weak and I can't breathe on my own. So that was a very difficult, and it was a nightmare. So all of a sudden, then it went to the stage wherein I had to take a break. I came back to my hometown, Madurai, showing it to a lot of doctors. But again, there was a time when I was bedridden, and I was before two AIIMS. There,
All India Institute of Medical Science.
All India Institute of Medical Science, New Delhi. There, the doctors also, they gave their best. I was, exposed to the best people and best treatment. But somehow, even they couldn't address the problem. I mean, they tried their best. They referred my case to foreign countries, to UK, US, and there were a lot of people they were referring my case to. They were interacting with the doctors from abroad.
Had an interaction in flight. It was rather very coincidence. Basically, it was a mind engineering based counseling for healing with the power of the mind. What was the experience? How it helped you? Just explain.
Our talk in just 5 minutes. But when you said self-belief and affirmation, it made some sense. And you asked me to watch some videos. There were a lot of things which were very scientific. Which wasn't fluke, and it made sense to me. Then I read all the study material that you referred, watched those videos. In fact, the one of that meditation video, it was really it's of great help. And slowly, steadily, your perception, your thinking changes, and maybe it wasn't a medical problem which we were trying to solve. It was something more than that, which probably you could explain, psychological or whatever I was clinging on to. But yeah, slowly, steadily today.
Now, how do you feel? How long you are able to walk?
These days I walk more than 2 kilometers because I take my brother's son for a stroll. Take him for a walk. Because I remember you asked me to do things which really pleases me, which makes me happy. And I was chanting, I was praying, I was doing my breathing exercises, I was watching all those videos. Slowly, it shown a lot of improvement, which I mean, I wasn't. I didn't know it was happening because when I met a few of my friends after 6 months, they told me that you're walking a bit fast. So I said, okay, probably like my phosphorus level might have gone up, but when I went for my blood test, the phosphorus level increased to 2.5. I think I'm not again gone back to that Premier Institute. They'll be really happy to see me because it's earlier I was in wheelchair, then I was walking with help of a stick, and today I'm walking on my own. I'm feeling a lot better. The pain which used to be like hell. I mean, it was difficult to walk even 10 steps. Now I walk almost 2 kilometers. So more than 80%, yeah, I'm feeling better. Route to recovery. I think now I can lead my normal life. Normal life.
What was the response of the doctor when you saw you walking normally? I mean,
No, I just phoned them, and I, in fact, few of my like doctors who were friends. I could only meet them. I did not go and see the doctor because I was supposed to go for a regular checkup. So obviously they'll be really happy because they've seen me lying there on the bed and like difficult to. I mean, without somebody's help, it was difficult to even get up. I mean, just imagine everybody would think it's a bright sunny morning. They'll be happy. It's a new bright day. But I used to shiver from pain because I have to go for like I have to use washroom. I cannot sit. I have to put my chappals. It will take almost 5 minutes to put that slippers and to take that 10 steps from room to a bathroom. So that was a time when I was really broken. I was very much into depression, and today I just thank God, God grace, and your this mind engineering thing which I followed, it yielded result.
But it was a surprise for the doctors.
Yeah, on the phone it was, and the SR whom I when I went there to like for this blood test, that also I mean they were really surprised.
Anything else as a motivation for the people like?
See, I would say you have to believe, but I would suggest like if you're doing it, you should do it thoroughly and assiduously. I mean, you have to believe first because this is actually a science. It's not, you're not taking some medicine, or you're not praying. There's an energy. You can call it God or whatever, but you have to connect with that.
Absolutely.
Spiritually, like mind, your soul wise or whatever, as you explain in a lot of your videos and talks. So thank God, I believe that was the one travel wherein I think I could whatever the ticket, the payment I made for the ticket, it really it was a nice investment.
If your mind only heal you, the power within the mind can definitely heal any disease. If you believe, definitely it is going to work for you, for anyone. And these words will be encouraging for many people.
Ravi Kumar, good evening. We are meeting after a couple of years, and welcome to this chat session. And if you remember, we first met in the aircraft in the year 2016. And at that time, you were a little sick, in the sense you were coming in the flight with a wheelchair and moving in with the 2 crutches. And we sat together and we had that long session. That was practically a healing session based on mind engineering. Then you telephoned to me after about a year, and I think 1.5 years in 2018. And you informed me you are now walking 3 kilometers in a day without the support of anything or anybody. And we met in my office. That was a wonderful experience. Now it is 2021 July. After a gap, we are meeting. I'm very happy to meet you in a very cheerful situation, very healthy situation. Thank God, absolutely, you are 100% okay and fine. And just tell me, now you are carrying out your normal activities. I believe you are doing business, doing normal activities, doing regular exercise and all.
Yes, very good evening, Cyril sir. It's always a pleasure to talk to you and interact. Yeah, very true. When I met you in 2016, it was a very difficult time. And there was a lot of difference, and I was following all those your videos and like the things that you said. Somehow, a few of them I was practicing earlier without knowing, and few of them which you said I uh, copied and I started doing it, which did a lot of improvement in a way I was not aware of, because others they could see the difference.
In summary, we do all have that power to heal ourselves. When we are changing the pattern of thinking, feeling, and doing, when we are in a positive mode, our mind has got a capacity to heal it. Only thing is that we should believe it, we should channelize it, and we should manifest it. You did that, that manifested in your case, and you healed yourself. So your words will be motivation for many people who are suffering with various illnesses. That is why your words are very valuable motivators. That is, therefore, I request you, please record a small video clipping about your wisdom you received it, how you imbibed it, followed it, and how you came out of your illness, healed yourself, and now you are leading an absolutely healthy, cheerful life.